A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 whose factors are 1 and itself. What that means, a prime number is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. Prime factorization is the process of writing a number as the product of prime numbers. Product means multiplication. Examples: 12 is what times what? It's 6 times 2 or 4 times 3. It doesn't matter where you start. Your final prime factorization will be unique. So I'm going to say 4 times 3. 4 is not prime. It is 2 times 2, and I will write that as 2 to the second. 2 times 2. You've got 2 factors of 2 times 3. This is the prime factorization. 275. I can tell that 25 will go into this number because 25 will divide into the last 2 digits. So that's going to be 25 times, let's review long division because there's no calculators on the EA or GMAT. 275 divided by 25. 25 will divide into 27 one time. 1 times 25 is 25. Draw your line and subtract. 7 minus 5 is 2. Bring down the 5. 25 will go into 25 11 times. And if you look, 2 plus 5 is 7, and there's that number. So we knew from the beginning that 11 would divide into 275. I just saw the 25 first. But 25 is 5 squared, 5 times 5, and then bring down the 11. All right, 1056, number 3. 8 will divide into 1056, and that's going to be 8 times 132. Do long division on the side of your paper to get the 132. Now, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, or 2 cubed. And then 132, I know 4 will divide into 132. So that's going to be 4 times 33. 11 would also have gone into it. Now bring down the 2 cubed. What is 4? 4 is 2 squared. What is 33? 33 is 11 times 3. So we have 3 2's. 2 2's, so that's going to be 2 to the 5th. We'll learn later when you multiply like bases, you add your exponents. 3 plus 2 is 5. And then we've got a factor of 3 and a factor of 11. 561. 5 plus 6 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So I know 3 will divide into it. It will be 3 times 187. And that would be 3. And then 187, I've had 11 keep showing up a lot today. That's going to be 11 times 17 because 7 plus 1 is 8. So my prime factorization is 3, 11, and 17.